Hello and welcome to another video in our T-Level Digital Production Design and Development series. Today, we're looking at how digital technology is used to meet user needs and ensure quality of products and services. This is an important topic for anyone looking to work in the digital sector, as understanding user needs is at the heart of successful digital implementations. When organizations implement digital technology, it's absolutely vital that they consider the needs of their users. But who exactly are these users? Well, they can be broadly categorized into two groups: internal users, like employees within the organization, and external users, such as customers or clients. For internal users, digital technology might mean new software systems or hardware that changes how they do their jobs. For external users, it could be a new website, app, or digital service that affects how they interact with the organization. Considering user needs isn't just a nice to have, it's a fundamental part of project planning. When planning any digital implementation, organizations need to ask themselves, how will this technology be used? Who will be using it? What problems is it solving for our users? By answering these questions early in the planning process, organizations can ensure that their digital solutions actually meet real needs and provide tangible benefits. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick question. Question: why is it important to consider both internal and external users when implementing digital technology? Take a moment to think about your answer. The answer is that both internal and external users have different needs that need to be addressed. While employees might need efficient tools to do their jobs, customers might need user-friendly interfaces to access services. Both are crucial for the success of a digital implementation. Digital technology has the power to significantly improve how employees carry out their tasks. This could mean streamlining communication between departments, automating repetitive processes, or providing new, more flexible ways of working. For example, a customer relationship management (CRM) system could help sales teams track customer interactions more efficiently, while project management software could improve collaboration between team members working remotely. But it's not just about internal processes. Digital technology can also enhance the quality of services and products offered to external users. This might involve improving the speed and accuracy of service delivery, providing 24/7 customer support through chatbots, or offering personalized product recommendations based on customer data. However, before implementing any new digital technology, it's crucial to assess the current systems already in place and identify what's actually needed to meet the organization's requirements. This involves asking questions like, what are the inefficiencies in our current system? What do our competitors use? What do our users, both internal and external, actually need? Pain points are issues that cause frustration, inefficiency, or other problems for an organization and its employees. Let's look at some common pain points and how digital technology can address them. Low budgets. While organizations are under pressure to embrace digital technology, budgets are often tight. Digital solutions can help by automating processes and increasing efficiency, potentially leading to cost savings in the long run. However, it's crucial to carefully consider the return on investment when implementing new technologies. Communication issues between departments. Miscommunication or lack of communication between departments can be a significant barrier. Digital platforms like internal social networks, project management tools, or collaborative software can improve interdepartmental communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Lack of technical knowledge by end users. IT professionals often spend valuable time explaining basic functions to users. Digital solutions can include built-in tutorials, help features, or knowledge bases to empower users to solve simple issues themselves. Lack of training. Inadequate training can lead to ineffective use of technology. Digital learning platforms can provide on-demand, self-paced training modules, ensuring users have access to the knowledge they need when they need it. Security concerns. With increasing data virtualization, organizations are more vulnerable to security breaches. Digital security solutions like advanced firewalls, encryption tools, and multi-factor authentication can help protect sensitive data. Let's test your understanding. Question: how can digital technology address the pain point of lack of training? The correct answer is B. Digital learning platforms can provide on-demand, self-paced training modules, allowing users to access training when it's most convenient and relevant to them. Now, let's briefly touch on accessibility considerations. When implementing digital technology, it's crucial to ensure that it's accessible to all relevant users, both internal and external to the organization. Accessibility in digital technology refers to designing products, devices, services, or environments so that people with disabilities can use them effectively. This isn't just good practice. In many cases, it's a legal requirement. While we won't go into depth here, you can refer back to Content Area 4 for more details. Some key accessibility principles include: perceivable. Information and interface elements must be easy for users to see or hear. Operable. Users must be able to interact with and navigate the interface. Understandable. Both the information and how the interface works should be easy to understand. Robust. Content must be strong enough to work well with various tools and technologies, including those that assist people with disabilities. By considering accessibility from the outset, organizations can ensure their digital solutions are usable by the widest possible audience. In our previous sections, we discussed reducing pain points and accessibility considerations. Now, let's explore the concept of compatibility in digital implementations. When organizations implement new or additional digital technology, it's essential to consider whether it will be compatible with the equipment and systems already in place. This is more than just a technical consideration. It can have significant impacts on the success of the implementation and the organization's budget. Compatibility issues can arise in various ways. For example, new software might not run on older hardware. A new system might not integrate well with existing databases. Different departments might use incompatible file formats. When compatibility issues occur, organizations often face a difficult choice. Either adapt the new technology to work with existing systems, which can be costly and time-consuming, or upgrade entire systems and equipment, which can be even more expensive. This is why it's important to thoroughly assess compatibility before making any purchasing decisions. By doing so, organizations can avoid unexpected costs and ensure a smoother implementation process. Now let's turn our attention to the concept of availability in digital implementations. Availability in this context refers to two main aspects: expertise for implementation and training, and the availability of the technology itself. When it comes to expertise, organizations need to ensure they have access to people with the right skills and knowledge when implementing new digital technology. This includes IT professionals who can install and configure the new technology, trainers who can teach employees how to use the new systems effectively, and support staff who can help resolve issues as they arise. If this expertise isn't available in-house, organizations might need to hire new staff or bring in external consultants, which can impact the project budget. The availability of the technology itself refers to whether the chosen technology can actually meet the organization's needs. Organizations need to consider several factors. Can the technology handle the organization's workload? Is it reliable enough for the organization's needs? Can it be accessed when and where it's needed? Is there adequate support from the vendor? For example, a cloud-based system might offer great features, but if the organization frequently experiences internet outages, it might not be the best choice. It's essential to thoroughly assess both these aspects of availability before committing to a new digital implementation. Failure to do so can result in systems that can't be properly implemented, aren't used effectively, or don't meet the organization's needs. By carefully considering both the expertise required and the technology's capabilities, organizations can ensure a smoother implementation process and better long-term results from their digital investments. When implementing digital technology, it's crucial to analyze the current user experience. This means understanding how users currently interact with your systems or services, what works well and what doesn't. This analysis should consider demand, what users need and want, usage, how current systems are being used, and pain points, what frustrates users about current systems. Based on this analysis, organizations can implement digital enhancements to improve the user experience. Some examples include chatbots, which can provide 24/7 customer support for simple queries, though it's important to ensure they're well designed to avoid frustrating users. Live chats allow users to communicate with a real person, which can be great for more complex issues, but they need to be staffed appropriately to be effective. Mobile technology allows users to access information or services on the go, enhancing convenience and accessibility. A powerful tool for understanding and improving user experience is customer journey mapping. This involves creating a visual representation of every interaction a customer has with your organization, from initial awareness through to post-purchase support. By mapping this journey, you can identify pain points and opportunities for digital enhancements. Now, let's test your understanding with a question. What is the purpose of customer journey mapping? Think about how this tool relates to the user experience analysis we've just discussed. The correct answer is B. Customer journey mapping helps identify pain points and opportunities for improvement in the customer experience, allowing organizations to enhance their digital offerings effectively. Our final topic is the importance of cultural awareness and diversity in digital implementations. This is a critical consideration that can significantly impact the success of your digital initiatives. Socioeconomic factors can greatly influence technology adoption, leading to what's known as the digital divide, the gap between those who have ready access to computers and the internet and those who don't. This divide can exist between different countries, urban and rural areas, age groups, and income levels. When implementing digital technology, it's important to be aware of this divide and how it might affect your users. Some considerations include access. Do all your users have the necessary devices and internet connectivity to use your digital services? Digital literacy. Are all your users comfortable with technology? Some may need more support or training than others. And cultural differences. Different cultures may have different attitudes towards technology or different ways of using it. To address these issues, organizations need to consider sensitive implementation and training strategies. This might include offering multiple channels for accessing services, both digital and non-digital, providing extra support or training for less tech-savvy users, and ensuring digital services are culturally appropriate and inclusive. By considering these factors, organizations can ensure their digital implementations are truly accessible and beneficial to all users. Let's end with one final question to test your understanding. What is meant by the term digital divide? Think about how this concept relates to the cultural and socio-economic factors we've just discussed. The correct answer is B. The digital divide refers to the gap between those who have ready access to computers and the internet and those who don't, which can be influenced by various socio-economic factors. We've covered a wide range of crucial concepts in this video, all centered around how digital technology is used to meet user needs and ensure quality of products and services. We've explored the importance of understanding user needs, both internal and external to an organization. We've discussed how to provide appropriate and effective functionality, reduce pain points, and ensure compatibility and availability of digital solutions. We've also explored the significance of creating good user experiences through tools like customer journey mapping, and the critical importance of considering cultural awareness and diversity in our digital implementations. All of these factors contribute to successful digital solutions that truly serve and benefit users. However, our journey doesn't end here. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into topic 5.1.6, how the characteristics of end users affect the use and characteristics of digital technologies to access a service or a product. This will build on what we've learned today, helping you understand how factors like age, skills, education level, and technical knowledge can influence the way users interact with digital technologies. And by understanding these user characteristics, you'll be better equipped to design and implement digital solutions that cater to a diverse range of users. So stay tuned